Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your GMC Acadia rear wiper. First, gather your tools. You will need a new wiper blade, which is typically a 12-inch blade for the Acadia, and a small flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the ignition key is removed. Then, gently lift the old wiper arm away from the rear window to prepare for removal. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small tab or button. Press this release tab firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the window, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it is time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the slot on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is firmly attached and will not come loose during operation. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the rear window. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade using the rear wiper function to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, such as streaking or chattering, to maintain clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.